Enjoy the delicious taste of freshly baked bread in the convenience of your home with the new Oster Express Bake Bread Maker. Bake your favorite breads in under an hour with the Express Bake function. Just add the ingredients, choose your desired setting, add nuts and fruits in the dispenser, and enjoy. With your Oster Bread Maker with Express Bake, you can even prepare cakes, yogurt, and jam. Waking up to the smell of freshly baked bread is now possible with the new Oster Express Bake Bread Maker.
Hi, I'm Chef Ethan Soul. I'm here today. We're going to make some asparagus soup with a little smoked salmon as a garnish, and we're going to be using the Kenwood Tri-Blade hand blender to make it. It's a variable speed blender. It's got a few different attachments. This is the pan blender. We also have the beaker, the chopper, the whisk, the masher, and the Soup XL attachment. Today we're going to be using the Soup XL attachment and the chopper. Each half. Okay, so open the chopper, kind of just break apart those onions in there. Lid back on. Put it on. I just pulse it when I'm chopping onions or potatoes or whatever it may be. I just pulse it just a little bit. Up a little nicely chopped up onion. Okay, so now that we have our chopped onions, we're gonna grab our butter and our onions and go back to the saute pan and start. Now that the soup's done, we'll use our Kenwood Tri-Blade immersion blender with the Soup XL attachment. There, now our soup's all nicely pureed. It's nice and smooth. Asparagus soup with smoked salmon, creme fraiche, chives, and a little salmon caviar. Enjoy.
Discover Oleo Clean Snack by t-fal. 3 simple steps: fry, filter, and store. Let's discover the easy clean and store technology. Place the product above the oil box. Safe. Once the oil has cooled down, it automatically drains into the oil box. Oil is now clean and safely stored. So easy to clean, easy to store, and very compact. Keep your oil much longer and reuse it multiple times for multiple recipes. Discover more on Oleo Clean Snack now.
The A2300 features a new built-in digital timer that displays how long your blend has been running, helping you achieve just the right texture every time. Add in variable speed control and pulse, and you can stretch your creativity with confidence. When it's time to wash up, the containers are self-cleaning and dishwasher safe. Vitamix is the first to offer a complete system of containers with wireless connectivity. That means the machine reads each container and automatically adjusts blending times. So what are you waiting for? Grind, blend, create hot soups, frozen desserts, and more. Live a healthy life with flavor and gusto. The A2300 with a 10-year warranty, part of the Ascent series from Vitamix.
Are you sometimes confused by the catchphrases on the labels of cookware you might want to buy? Things like, wow, it lasts 1,000 times longer. Or, magic, it will turn you into a Michelin star chef. Or, cool, it cleans itself. No, you're smarter than that. The one thing that really makes the difference is the non-stick coating. And no, not those made of toxic chemicals that make our Mother Nature sick. And poison little Jackie, your beloved Australian parakeet. Yep. Do you want to be 100% sure that you and your bird have a long and beautiful life ahead? Well, then go for a healthy ceramic non-stick coating from Green Pan. It performs great, it doesn't stick, and is made from natural materials like sand. Still alive! So, no chemical substances and no toxic fumes if your pan accidentally gets overheated because you're watching the season's finale of Neighbours again. Oh, not again. Do you really want to cook healthy? Start with healthy cookware. Make the switch. Choose Green Pan.